What's going on, guys? It's Cameron and Jacob here from Lebanon Ford Performance, and Christmas came early. Whipple delivered us 4 of these brand new Stage 1 Whipple Superchargers for the 2021 F-150. And again, we only have 4 in stock, and these are not going to last long. So, Harris, how about you tell us what the customers can expect?
Absolutely, Cameron. So these are the new Gen 5 3-liter Whipples, obviously for the brand new 2021 F-150, producing 725 tire shredding horsepower. They're absolute monsters if you haven't driven one. So if you're looking to install this on your current F-150, or if you're interested in pairing this with one of the vehicles that we have on the lot, the install price on this unit is going to be $12,000 installed, and the options are endless at that point.
So if you want to pair one of these with one of the F-150s we have on the lot, we have plenty of 5.0s to shop through, or if you want to get this installed on your own personal F-150, don't hesitate to give us a call at 513-932-1010 or visit us online at LebanonFordPerformance.com.
Is it taped?
It is taped.
Oh,
Yeah.
California.
It's taped off the ports. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
If we lift it up, then you slide.